Beats by Malice.
The Illuminati want my soul, they want my body. My body, my body, my body, my body, my body. And I might give it to them for that new Bugatti. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. The Illuminati want my soul, they want my body. My body, my body, my body, my body, my body. And I might give it to them for that new Bugatti. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. I pass the time between my last rhymes, ash and dimes, talking to the divine, trying to take over the world like Pinky in the brain. They think I'm insane, but I'm a mastermind. Some dark situations force me to maneuver faster blind, but the older I get, the more I respect sunsets and digested the past rewinds. 6 bullets in a chamber, blast 3 times to the clear and present danger. I was taught that a man should never fear man. Negligent anger directed toward the rather near hesitant stranger, but it's better to contain the strain before it contaminates the brain of the baby in the manger. I'm not crazy, but in a range of brilliance. Some say that my naturally forming diselements compressed to a burning star amidst sun rays. Anyway, we're doomed on that one day. Mad villain devising a virus while building androids on Cyber Monday. Functional funeral feng shui. My Isis love me like Osiris. Wait for her beyond death. Until then, anticipate the way that her tongue takes. Hell reincarnate, infinite afterlife, regardless of who you pray to. I told my goddess I love is forever in this never-ending story. I'll betray you and I'll never betray you, but the Illuminati want my soul, they want my body. My body, my body, my body, my body, my body. And I might give it to them for that new Bugatti. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. One day I kicked through a steel door just to rock these mics. I'm the Colossus type. I'm part of a bigger solar system, wishing on these stars than a dipper solar flares. Supersized. Sometimes it's not about who's the best, it's just who survives. Are you alive? Reflecting over the sun, setting on a plane to Budapest, flying through Dubai. Oh, your shoes are nice, won't give it up, feeling stressed, gotta get my best out. But I promised my mother I'd never fight my brother. Vitaly Klitschko. Below the bell hit low. Chronicle the Riddick bow, pitch black, switch tactics mid-fight, quick backflips, live life. Howl at the moon at midnight. Born into a blood feud by revenge, it was wrong to begin. You learn what love can move, a lot of friends are gone with the wind. Scarlet letter, though ever go get her. Live by the sword, war on with the pen. Alpha, Omega, never say never. Alarmed by the sin, I find my calm from within. Wanted to change the world, but I got sidetracked. Anticipation has spent a generation waiting for me, but now I am back. Still got him in my line of sight, and I wanna light this dynamite. But my exact position is never known when I attack. Roman candle, fire, crack. I'm a broken Rambo, firing back. Cause the Illuminati want my soul, they want my body. My body, my body, my body, my body, my body. And I might give it to them for that new Bugatti. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. The Illuminati want my soul, they want my body. My body, my body, my body, my body, my body. And I might give it to them for that new Bugatti. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti.